It is my great joy, pleasure, and privilege to join all of you at this, the 9th installment of the Philippine Experience, which we have brought all over the country and which has taken us to the beautiful region of Soxargen. We gather today in Soxargen, a region renowned for its beautiful coastlines, pristine valleys, rolling hills, vast mountain ranges, and a legendary river system that nourishes the islands of Mindanao. This region is not just a geographic marvel, but also a cultural treasure trove. Home to the revered tribes of the Tiboli, the Blaan, the Tagkaulo, Maguindanao, and other indigenous communities. Our venue today, the CCT Malungon Retreat Training Center, has for many years served as a testament to the power of scripture-based development, where tribal communities are encouraged to embrace their cultural identity while being guided towards the transformative joy of Christ's teachings. This place offers a serene and enriching experience that beautifully encapsulates the indigenous cultures of Malungon. Today, we unite under the banner of the Philippine Experience Program, a flagship initiative of our President, Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr., implemented by the Department of Tourism. Having been a mayor of a municipality in Cebu, where tourism is the top driver of our economy, I saw for myself the necessity of ensuring that we spread development across our province and now across the Philippines in order to open up opportunities for tourism, livelihood, and employment. Direktiba sa atong presidente nga atong hatagan og higayon ang mga lugar sa Pilipinas nga kinahanglan pa natong suportaan aron sila mailhan sa tibuok kalibutan ug mahatagan og higayon ang atong mga kaigsuunang Pilipino nga makatrabaho, magkabaton og livelihood ug employment pamaagi sa turismo. Tourism is now one of the strongest pillars of our economy, employing over 5.35 million Filipinos, contributing trillions to our economy. Such is the power of tourism. But such also is the power of the Filipino culture, that it is able to drive continued interest into the country. Mao kini ang panlantaw sa atong presidente nga ang Pilipinas mailhan sa tibuok kalibutan dili lamang pamaagi sa atong manindot kaayo nga mga beaches, mountainscapes, biodiversity ug uban pa kundi pinakaimportante sa tanan nga mailhan pamaagi sa atong kultura. That the Philippines elevates itself as a tourism powerhouse by way of the strength of our culture, our heritage, and the strength of spirit of our people. And it is only by an immersion into our communities that you will get to know the heart and soul of the Filipino. Sa nakita na ninyo sa atong Tagkaulo ug Blaan nga mga tribo, buhi kaayo sa ilang mga sayaw, sa ilang mga kanta, sa ilang mga gisulot ang atong kultura isip Pilipino. This should give us great pride to be Filipinos. And this should remind us that through the love that we have for our culture, we will continue to be able to elevate the status of Philippine tourism all over the world. The Philippine Experience Program perfectly aligns with the National Tourism Development Plan, which prioritizes the equalization of tourism product development and promotion. Kung diin, hataga nato og importansya ang pagduso sa international tourism ug usab ang pagduso sa domestic tourism. For we have seen under our data that the Philippines has great strength in terms of its domestic tourism numbers, such that it ranked #1 in terms of visitor receipts in the ASEAN as far as domestic tourism is concerned. And such quality is there in the offerings that we're able to offer to our international travelers that I'm pleased to report that the Philippines has now fully recovered in terms of its international visitor receipts comparative to our pre-pandemic numbers. Padayon ang paghigugma sa tibuok kalibutan sa atong mahal nga nasod nga Pilipinas. Through the Philippine Experience Program, we hope to be able to diversify our tourism offerings and to be able to offer to our tourists, international and local, unforgettable and immersive tourism experiences that will allow them to come back again and again. As we celebrate the 9th Philippine Experience Program, let us relish this journey that takes us closer to a future where the Philippines stands proudly on the global stage, celebrated for its natural beauty and immense biodiversity, and most importantly, known for its rich and diverse culture and warm hospitality. Let us continue to work together, driven by our shared passion for tourism and our unwavering commitment to the betterment of our nation. To close, buot lang yun na akong ipadayag ang akong kinasing-kasing kaayo nga pasalamat kang Mayor Tessa ug sa tanan nga opisyalis dinhi sa Malungon ug sa atong mga kaigsuunan sa Blaan ug Tagkaulo Tribe. Salamat kaayo sa inyong mainiton kaayo nga pagdawat kanamo. Bati kaayo namo ang inyong gugma ug makalaom kamo nga maong gugma among suklian pamaagi sa among paningkamot usab nga maduso gayod ang inyong turismo dinhi sa Malungon, mailhan sa tibuok kalibutan ang inyong kultura ug nga ang tibuok Sarangani ug ang Soc-Sargen region maglambo sa turismo ug mahimong usa sa atong mga garbo sa turismo sa Pilipinas. Daghan kayong salamat kaninyong tanan and love the Philippines.